Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL Authentics 200 speaker with COM radio. To connect it with COM radio, go to JBL One app, and after configuring your speaker, connecting to the speaker, you can click on it, then click on In-App Music, choose a music service you want to connect to. In my case, it will be COM radio. And now it's enabled. You can go back and then click on the COM radio and you can log in. Then you will be able to play music on COM radio via JBL One app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.